All good things must come to an end, but our gadget drops just keep coming. Just when you think you've seen it all, something like this or that shows up, flipping your idea of everyday things upside down. When you have no idea what toy your kid would actually appreciate, just get them a lunar rover. This is a 1-to-1 replica of the real Japanese moon rover that landed on the lunar surface on January 19, 2024. Its mini replica does pretty much the same thing, only instead of moon dust, it conquers sandbox dunes for your kids' amusement. It's controlled via smartphone, and the best part, the screen feed makes it look like the rover is actually exploring the moon. This gadget may be called Bullet2, but thankfully it won't be taking anyone out. It's a mini flashlight with 3 color modes and a magnetic base. So if you ever find yourself field dressing game at night, you can just stick it to your knife blade for hands-free lighting. Red light for reading at night. Nothing weird about that. UV light to check for counterfeit bills or, gemstones. White light so you can fix your car at night or at least pretend you know what you're doing. As the manufacturer puts it, it's like having a third hand, only brighter. Hard to argue with that. Now there's another mini flashlight, but this one's rocking a titanium body. According to the manufacturer, it's inspired by nature, specifically dragonfly wings. Well, their imagination is definitely working overtime, but to be fair, the exoskeleton design does look pretty slick. With 62.5 lumens, it won't light up the whole forest, but at least that number sounds realistic for once. Stop snapping off pen clips. There's MEZMOPEN for that. Designed specifically for restless hands, this pen exists to save millions of regular pens from being brutally dismantled every year. With this one, you can break it in half all you want, and in a second, it's back to normal. No magic, just magnets. By my completely unscientific calculations, you could break this thing about 150 million times. Not that anyone's counting. So if every fidgety menace on Earth had one of these indestructible metal pens, the world would be a much cleaner place without all those plastic casualties. You've got smart devices, but your home still doesn't feel smart? That's because you need one hub to rule them all, and that's exactly what Homey Pro does. This all-in-one smart home hub lets you control all your devices from a single app, no matter the brand. It doesn't just make life easier, it actually automates your home, so devices work together without you constantly micromanaging them. Homey Pro works with all the major protocols, including Z-Wave, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Matter, Thread, and even infrared, so you can control some non-smart devices as well. It's fully compatible with voice assistant, so you can just tell Siri to handle things for you. With Homey, you can set up simple automations like turning off the lights and adjusting the thermostat when the last person leaves the house. Or go next level with multi-step routines that coordinate multiple devices to work together seamlessly under different conditions. Going on vacation? Set up your lights to turn on every 30 minutes to make it look like someone's home. No need to leave your kid behind like in Home Alone. Need better security? I set up my outdoor lights to turn on when my security camera detects a person or a car approaching at night. No motion sensors needed, just a smart trigger through Homey that turns the lights off again after 5 minutes. You don't need to be a tech wizard to set these up. Everything is intuitive and can be done from your phone or computer. Unlike many smart hubs, Homey Pro runs everything locally, so your data stays private and your automations keep working even if your internet goes down. And the cherry on top, no monthly subscription fees. Check out the link in the video description. If you're the type of person who loves getting up close and personal with nature, sipping straight from a fresh-looking mountain stream, maybe run it through this bottle first and drink like a civilized human. Tap a button and in 45 seconds you'll have a full bottle of purified water, having survived 5 brutal stages of filtration to reach peak cleanliness. Sure, it's not the same raw wilderness experience, but at least it won't come with a surprise stomachache. If you're tired of your keyboard, why not drop a spare $500 on this hardcore-looking aluminum beast and spend some quality time just figuring out how to use it? This isn't your average keyboard. If you haven't noticed, it's a Transformer-style gadget with many joysticks instead of keys. Each turn of a joystick registers as a keystroke, just like a regular keyboard. The whole idea, type insanely fast, like 300 words per minute instead of the usual 40, plus execute a ton of other commands faster than mere mortals. No clue on how long it takes to master, but hey, once you've blown $500 on it, quitting is no longer an option. This BORG cube won't take you on an intergalactic voyage, it's just a replica, but it'll transport you back to the golden days of Star Trek with quotes and sound effects straight from the series. And when you've heard the same lines one too many times, it doubles as a regular Bluetooth speaker. With 10 watts of power, it's more than enough to blast your music or podcasts in quality worthy of the collective. Have you ever heard of hydrogen water? Yeah, me neither. Turns out it's just regular water infused with molecular hydrogen gas. Supposedly, this makes it way healthier thanks to its antioxidant properties, though there aren't enough solid scientific studies to fully back that up just yet. But of course, the hype train has already left the station, bringing a flood of fancy bottles that magically turn plain water into this supercharged version, almost like the Philosopher's Stone of hydration. Just press a button, wait 5 minutes, and boom, you're now sipping on next-level water instead of that boring old stuff. If you're fed up with your laptop, here's a mini PC for you. Its coolest trick, it wirelessly connects to their 15-inch monitor. Just place it on the stand beneath the display and it syncs up instantly. Of course, it also works with other displays if you plan on dragging it between home and the office. Now, I spent way too much time trying to figure out why this thing, with a starting price of $1,600, and that's without RAM or SSD, is supposed to be better than a regular 15-inch laptop. And honestly, I came up short. Sure, the touchscreen is nice, but beyond that, I'd just buy a laptop. These horns aren't here to boost your gaming chair's Wi-Fi, they're here to upgrade your hearing. This is a surround sound system with 10 speakers plus a subwoofer, all aimed directly at your head, ensuring you won't doze off mid-game. The immersion is next level. If a zombie apocalypse breaks out on screen, you might just start looking for an escape route in real life. If you're tired of sweating in bulky headphones for hours, these speaker horns could be the perfect alternative as long as your housemates are cool with the noise. This action cam records both front and rear views at the same time. GoPro can step aside. Just imagine, now you can relive your cycling adventures not just in first person, but in glorious first butt view. Twice the footage, twice the embarrassment. And when you go over your ski footage, you'll find out if that feeling of being chased was just nerves or an actual bear. Pretty useful, huh? If you're tired of stepping on your cat or crashing into vases while playing VR, this chair is for you. Designed specifically for Meta VR headsets, it spins 360 degrees as you play, keeping your pets and furniture out of the danger zone. Sure, it's not ideal for throwing punches in a boxing match, but if you've ever dreamt of being an excavator operator, this is your moment. If you love aquariums but hate cleaning and dealing with fish, this gadget is for you. A grand total of 6,084 pixels will bring an underwater world right to your wall. No feeding or water changes required. This LED aquarium even reacts to room temperature and humidity, adjusting its colors and plant life accordingly. So better keep your indoor climate in check unless you want your digital fish to virtually kick the bucket. And now, if your kids beg for an aquarium, you've got no excuse to say no. If you love watching movies but don't want to put a TV in every room, there's a smarter and cheaper solution. Just get a mini projector. Stream your favorite shows or project random memes anywhere, even in the bathroom if that's your thing. This projector is fully adjustable, so you can tilt it however you want, even straight up to the ceiling. And don't worry about wonky images, it auto-adjusts to keep everything looking crisp and face distortion free. And when you're done binging Netflix, just point it downward and boom, instant nightlight. If you love traveling off the grid but still want to send voice messages and photos to your friends and family, this gadget is for you. Now they can properly envy your adventures with actual photos, instead of suffering through your weak attempts to describe nature's beauty with mere words. Sounds perfect, right? Well, almost. The catch is that while this device connects to satellites on its own, you still need to type messages and send photos through your phone. So if you don't bring a massive power bank, your photo stream will dry up as soon as your phone battery does. Why settle for a boring e-scooter when you can ride one that's bright yellow with bee-like eyes? Basically, the bumblebee of scooters. Unlike regular scooters that leave your legs numb from standing too long, this one comes with a removable seat, letting you cruise in ultimate comfort while everyone else suffers. It's got decent suspension for city rides, so jumping off curbs won't leave you with a sore backside or a bitten tongue. And with a 40-mile range at moderate speeds, you won't have to turn off the headlights just to make it home. Most brands are racing to make their power banks as small and compact as possible, but not BioLite, and honestly, it makes sense. Tiny power banks are fine for phones and earbuds, but if you need real juice, you need something bigger. This brick packs 100 watts output and 25,000 milliamp hour capacity, meaning it can fully charge your laptop twice. And yes, you can still bring it on a plane. Oh, and they even squeezed in wireless charging. So if you're running out of cables to fuel your tech chaos, just drop your AirPods on top and let them sip on some extra power.